Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you what is meant by SOHCAHTOA. I believe you have heard of SOHCAHTOA in your elementary mathematics. Okay, so today I'm going to dive into the basic concept of SOHCAHTOA and also how to solve it. Okay, let's start from. If you notice, I've divided into three. This I've divided into three. So when you have something like this, it's going to writing this SOHC, it's going to writing sine theta. Let's sine theta is equal to what? This is opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so this is cos, and our cos theta is equal to what? Yeah, that is adjacent over what? Your hypotenuse. But the last not done in our list is what? Is tan. So we say tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? That is opposite over what? Adjacent. This SOHCAHTOA is usually solve on only on right angle triangle. Okay, so in that particular instance you will be given this box. Okay, this symbol this symbol represents 90 degrees, while a particular angle will also be given to you, and on no side will be what's given. In our question number one now, we are assume we consider sine. You say sine 34 is equal to what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That means you can use sine in this particular question. Okay, let's check if you can use cos. Can we use cos? Because let's see, cos, let's say cos 34, which is adjacent. Adjacent is what? There's empty space in this place, isn't it? And this is our adjacent. That means you cannot use it. Okay, so any of them that have empty space, don't use it. We can't use cos, and you cannot use tan, because if you say tan 34, tan 34 is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Adjacent is this side, this side. This is an empty space, so we cannot use it. That is the easiest way in which you can denote how to use SOHCAHTOA, and it's only less for what? Right angle triangle. So let's start. Let me dive into how to solve it first. So let's say solution first. I'm going to redraw it, right? So this is what? Any place this symbol is pointing, that is the tip of this. Don't look at it. This is what? The hypotenuse. Okay, this is the hypotenuse. This tip of this right angle triangle, any place is pointing, any place is facing is what? The hypotenuse. So any place this angle is facing is the opposite. This angle is facing what? Is facing this side, ain't it? Is facing this side. So this opposite side is what? Is what? This place this angle is facing is what? Is the opposite. So this is what? Our opposite. Okay, then the other one is what? Let me put opposite. Then the other one is what? Is adjacent. That is the other way to recognize it. So don't look at the tip of this right angle triangle. This 90 degrees. This, so you check where is it going. You look at the tip. You look at any place it's facing is what? Hypotenuse. And any place this angle is facing is what? Is opposite. Okay, then you know that the other one must be what? Adjacent. Okay, so since we are going to use sine, because that is the sine is the only one that doesn't have the empty space there. Okay, it doesn't have this. There's nothing. It doesn't have. It's not empty. Okay, because you have opposite over hypotenuse. So let's use sine. I'm going to say sine 34 is equal to, our sine is what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Our opposite is this side, isn't it? Our opposite is y. And hypotenuse is what? In this place is what? Is 50. Let me write 50 here. 50 centimeter, which is what? 50. Okay, so the other thing I can do right now is to what? Cross multiply, because you have one here. I can decide to put this one over one, so I can what? Cross multiply. Let me just write a cross multiply. Okay, I cross multiply. This one goes to this one goes to this. Okay, that means this one is theta, right? Y times 1 is equal to what? Sine 34 times what? 50. Okay, 1 times y times 1 is y. Sine 34. What is our sine 34? Pardon me, I'm going to use calculator here. So I was going to say sine 34. What's the value for sine 34? Sine 34 is 0.55 be 2. So times this 50. So if you multiply them together, what do we get? Let's multiply them times 50. I'm going to have 27.96 centimeter. I can also approximate it to what? I can approximate it to 28 centimeter. Okay, so yes, this is basically the process in which you can what solve this type of question. Okay, so let me dive into question number 2. Definitely I'm going to draw this again for easier understanding. I'm going to draw it. I'm going to put my box here. This is what 90 degrees, isn't it? And I told you, look at the tip. Where is it facing? This one is facing this side. Okay, the tip is facing this side, and this side is what is the hypotenuse, right? And the hypotenuse is what is 30 centimeter, and this is our angle. Any place this angle is facing is what is the opposite, and okay, and the opposite in this place was not given. Okay, opposite in this place was not given, and we also have a centimeter, right? Okay, so in this particular case, and I told you the secrets of SOHCAHTOA. I told you any empty space, don't consider it. So let's assume that we want to use sine. So let's say sine 47. 47 is what? Opposite. Our opposite is empty, isn't it? It does not have any value, so don't use it. Don't use it because it has opposite. Our opposite here is what? It's empty. There's no value given to us, isn't it? So don't use it. Let's assume you use cos 47. Cos 47 is what? Adjacent of our hypotenuse. Yes, it corresponds with all the two sizes. So you can use cos. Let's see if you can use tan. So tan 47 is equal to opposite. Opposite is what? It's empty, so you cannot use it. So the only one you can use in this place is what? Is cos. Okay, because it doesn't have empty space to it. Okay, so you're going to say cos 47 is equal to what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so definitely you can put this one over 1 and you can cross multiply. So you're going to have x times 1. X times 1 is equal to what? It's equal to cos 47 times 30, right? X times 1 is x. Cos 47 is what? What is the value of cos 47? Cos 47 is going to be 0.682 times what? 30. Let's see what we get. So let's say times 30. We're going to have 20.56 centimeter. You can also approximate it. To let's go to what? 20 centimeter. Okay. So this is easy step in which you can solve SOHCAHTOA. Okay. And by this particular explanation, I believe you can able to solve it. Any place there is empty space, anyone you are considering, and you notice that there is empty space there, don't consider it, don't use it. I guess that is the easiest way to identify how to solve SOHCAHTOA. Another thing I want you to notice that when you are using the calculator, make sure that your number will be in what? In degree. Okay, if it's not in degree, if it's radius in radian, you will not get the right answer. Okay, make sure that your answer, your calculator is always in degree. Okay, so that is another way in which you can arrive at the same answer. But in continuous practice, I believe you can be able to solve it. Okay, so for more informative content, don't forget to like and share my channel, James Maths Academy. Until I see you next time, thank you.